The new editing software that I use has a function that allows you to tell AI to try to make highlights from the video. You can either set it up to be of a specific length, or you can just tell it to do it like however it feels. I think I had mine set up to the like automatic one usually. So this is whatever the AI decided was best for my videos. I've checked out some of them because that's why I decided to do this stream, and then I decided that like I would leave it for content. So I haven't seen all of them. I think I've seen one Rain World one and one Minecraft one. So this is what the AI decided to highlight from my Avengers video. Assemble campaign, give this.
I'm the winner.
See, that's all I needed. I didn't need that beginning of you can do. You can theoretically. I love when it just vision, because it really is multiple dimensions to hang out in. Why would he be here? Feels like fanfiction.
This is Kamal, expert.
Up and up. I do not. When
You want control.
what is that at the end? Okay, so my favorite part so far is when it just cuts into noises. It's just like when it just cuts into random noise, because I don't know, that's just so funny. See, that's all I needed. I didn't need that beginning of you can. That felt like it was constructing a sentence, kind of. I didn't need that beginning of something. Honestly, removes most of the unnecessary stuff. This is amazing. Yeah, exactly. No. You can theoretically. You can theoretically. Vision. It's almost let him say his line. Vision. And then it makes me say vision? Is that like making a reference to another Avenger? Because I don't think I was saying vision in this one. Right? It's making me say vision. Vision. I mean, vision is the most AI of the Avengers, so like, you know, maybe the program is just like shouting out its shouting out its homie. Really have multiple dimensions to hang. Wait. Because it really have multiple dimensions to hang out in. Because it's really multiple dimensions to hang out in. Why would he be here? Feels like fanfiction.
This is Kamal.
Feels like fanfiction. And this is one of the examples of the thing that I mentioned, that it like cuts together two different audio lines just because they could go together. So you have me like start another sentence and end on a sound that fits that audio line, but it's just different. Hang out in. Why would he be here? Feels like fanfiction.
This is Kamal.
Feels like fanfiction. Like, that is a normal human sound, it just doesn't fit this context.
Expert.
Up and up. I do not. When the, I do not. I do not. When the,
You want control.
I mean, this ending is just fantastic. I feel like this is just where it completely gives up.
You want control.
Alright, we have a Hollow Knight one. Okay. This one is pretty short, and I feel like this one is more accurate, because this was one of the episodes where we just fought bosses. So it has you like start bosses and finish bosses, which makes sense. Like, that would be a like sensible way to highlight a video where you just fight Hollow Knight bosses. The Avengers one felt like a rushed recap you'd see in a sequel. I like how this one ends with me just like touching Gorb. There is just nothing left after you touch Gorb. That's the final step. Okay, we have some Minecraft ones. Stream day on the Aramonth server. Oh, thank you so much for fixing it, Max. In that case, I can join the voice chat. This is like basically unedited.
Hello.
Oh, I miss talking with you, Confused. It's always such a delight.
Thank you.
Yeah, I feel like that part was basically unedited, so it's like interesting that it just leaves all that in. Like, that was the highlight of the video for the AI. Hi, Bo. Hi, welcome.
Hello.
Oh, I miss talking with you. Let's see how it goes. It's always such a delight.
Thank you.
Zine, do you want to point us towards where the... Oh, right. Did somebody mention provide arrows? Wait. Here it starts cutting? Ah, creeper again! Point us towards where the... Oh, right. Did somebody mention provide arrows? Ah, creeper again! God damn it! This keeps on happening to me. Did it just, like, cut out one random part? Because I think I said, why does this keep on happening to me? And it just cut into, this keeps on happening to me. I don't know. God damn it! This keeps on happening to me. Yeah. Oh my god, Richie, do you have a hot? Thank you for that.
I mean,
Oh my god, Richie, do you have a hot? This keeps on happening to me. Wait. Oh my god, Richie, do you have a hot? Thank you for that. Oh my god, Richie, do you have a hot? Thank you for that. What do you mean? Oh my god, Richie, do you have a hot? Thank you for that.
I mean, it can literally.
Oh god. I mean, you can literally... I think it treated the damage sound as the end of Richie's sentence for some reason. Like, I don't know. I don't understand. But that's the only theory I have. Wait, did I get attacked?
Oh,
Okay, those are good highlights. Oh my god, Max is dual wielding swords, let's go.
Aiming.
My best weapon... sorry.
My
I'm
best
responsible. No. Richie, stop. Wait, that was actually really funny. Wait, that's like something I would do for a short. Just the water being deployed, and then it cuts on my screen. No. Richie. Yeah, that's really funny. Okay, you got one AI. Like, that's one for the AI. That's absolutely a good clip. Sorry. I'm responsible. No. Richie, stop. Or I'm gonna use my egg. No. That was funny again. Just the clip of the chicken spawning, but I don't know why it cut onto random confused line at the end. I'm gonna use my egg. No. Did it just cut to confusing big? Two good clips though. That's actually two very good clips. So like to some degree it definitely works. The rest of it was still like just completely random. If I would get like a sound, can I have that be one of the sounds? Wait, what? If I would get like a sound, can I have that be one of... Why did it cut out the rest of soundboard? Why did it just leave it at sow? What? If I would get like a sound, can I... If I would get like a sound... Why was it so important to cut out underboard? If I would get like a sound, can I have that be one of the sounds, please? I think that would be amazing. Just to... Why would you leave so much of a conversation about a soundboard without any context? It makes zero sense without the fact that like Richie said something funny. AI tries to communicate with us through Ada. Yeah, I think that's the case, honestly. That's the only explanation. Because it was a conversation, like Richie said something funny, and I said, oh, I would love to get that on the soundboard. It left the entire conversation in, without the context of Richie saying something funny and me saying soundboard. If I would get like a sound, can I have that be one of the sounds, please? I think that would be amazing. Just to... What? That's so specific. Just to...
Job has one.
Didn't... Puppy. Okay. Is that... What?
It's very cool.
How do you trigger it? Yeah, what is right? French cottage. I love it. That's actually something clear. What? Okay, so that just became completely not understandable. Like, what? You have the beginning without the context, then you have a random clip of me saying French cottage, and the rest is completely like random clips. Just to...
Job has one.
Didn't... Puppy. Okay. I didn't... puppy. Okay.
Job has one.
Didn't... Puppy. Okay. Is that... What? Oh, do you have...
Very cool.
How do you trigger it?
Otherwise.
French cottage. French cottage. That's the only like other coherent word we get. I love it. That's actually something clear. What? I feel like that should just be the reaction to the AI videos. Clear. What? Okay, so definitely if the AI attacks, the first target will be France because it left French cottage. The last word is all of our collective response, yeah. Either France will be the first target or France will be like spared because it left French cottage alone. So I think that's definitely like meaningful. What?